What is up, YouTube? Do you want a stupid simple way to make money online? Of course you do. Everybody does, right? Well, you probably heard of Medium. It's this website where you can write articles and make money from articles, but who wants to write articles? I mean, I like writing and even I don't want to do it because it's a pain in the ass, okay? But what if you could actually make serious money doing something that takes about 10 seconds to do? I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of MoolaMeme. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. And that is because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Feel free to go ahead and skip ahead. My jokes, well, yeah, they're really, really bad. I know. I got to get some new lines, you know, kind of like my buddy Bart. Bart, not yet, not yet. But seriously, kind of like my buddy Bart, I got to get some new lines. I know I've been using the same stuff for a long time. And now that we're changing actually to a new website, time to start looking at some new lines, but more on that. And if in another week or two, we're going to be making the official announcement. Unofficially, you can see in the description, we're using a new website already, but it still just says coming soon on the front page because we're still working on some stuff. Anyhow, though, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap. Okay, seriously, Bart? Bart, both of us, we need new lines, okay? I'm going to work on mine, you work on yours, all right? Seriously. Anyway, but if you are new, the way things work, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. She's a fellow New Yorker. I can't get angry at a fellow New Yorker. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. Actually, let me show you this page first. This is the sales page for MoolaMeme. So you can see here the kind of money that's being made from MoolaMeme. And it is super duper simple to make money off of MoolaMeme. Basically, you create a meme, but I know some of you are not graphically oriented. Don't worry. It's basically all done for you. It's kind of like click, 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 you're done. And then anytime somebody likes your meme, you automatically get paid for it. That is just absolutely insane. It's kind of like Medium. Medium, basically, the way they work is that when people like your content, you get paid every time somebody likes your content. And the idea is that this drives advertising. Same kind of thing with MoolaMeme. There's a few different ways to use it. I'm going to show you a couple of other ways in this video. I'm going to show you a couple other ways to use MoolaMeme as well. But the bottom line is that this automatically makes you money and it's automatically done for you. It's very, very easy to use. But before I tell you any about that, I do want to tell you about my custom most, because I have the craziest custom most package you will ever see for MoolaMeme. Okay, first of all, I'm giving you 10 different courses. These are not a single video. These are not PDFs. These are full-fledged courses. You're going to see the list below. There's 10 of them that you're getting, full-fledged courses that usually go for anywhere from $10 to $99. Okay, you're getting all 10 of them included for free. That's my first bonus, but I'm not done yet. Okay, my second bonus, number 2, is that pick up MoolaMeme from me. And oh, by the way, I'm also going to show you how to save some money, just so you know. Pick up MoolaMeme from me. I'm going to give you a shout out to my 7,000 Instagram followers. All right, that's completely for free. Usually you would pay at least $200 for a shout out. I'm giving it to you completely for free. You don't have to spend a penny for a shout out to my Instagram followers. All right, that's number 2. Number 3, Okay, so you get 10 different courses, full-fledged courses that usually go for real money. You're going to see it down below this video. If you're looking on YouTube, then just click the link and you'll be able to see it. By the way, if you're looking on the website, you know you have to click the link in order to actually go buy the thing. Okay, you can't just buy it at this page. We're now using a bridge page for all of our content here. And like I said, at the beginning of the video, we're going to be switching everything over to maninthehat.io very soon. There's going to be a podcast. There's going to be our new mobile app. There's going to be all kind of really cool things that are going to be available to take a look at on our website in the next coming weeks. But anyway, I digress. So far you're getting from me, you're going to be getting 10 courses. You're going to get a shout out to my Instagram followers. Plus, I know a lot of you already have InstaBioLink. If you don't already have it, you can get it for free. But whether you have it or you don't have it, in addition to getting it for free, you're also getting a free upgrade. Usually you just get the basic level of InstaBioLink. I'm going to give you a free upgrade to InstaBioLink, so you get the next level up with additional features that are going to make it even better for you. If you're not familiar with InstaBioLink, it's my software that is designed to make Instagram so much better, because Instagram basically have one link. You're only allowed a single link in Instagram. With InstaBioLink, basically what you do is you go visit the web. When people visit your profile, they are presented with a custom page that you can control and create additional content for, and you can choose, for example, when you want a particular post to appear. So you can schedule it for like a 3-day period, for example. You can put in all kinds of animations to get people excited. There's all kinds of things you can do, and you can have more than one link, which is the most important thing, I think, personally. So again, you're going to get 10 full-fledged courses. These are not, random junk, like, a PDF course that somebody made 10 years ago, or something that I downloaded off of some, website. You're going to get 10 complete courses. You're going to see the list down below this video, okay, on my website. If you don't look again on YouTube, take a look at the link. You'll see the entire list. All right, that's number one. Number two, you're getting a shout out. I automatically am giving everybody a shout out. I've never done this before, and I really, I'll probably have to shut this down pretty soon, because we're going to be inundated with shout out requests, and obviously everybody gets 24-hour shout out. So that means first come, first served. All right. And number three is that you're getting InstaBioLink with the upgrade of InstaBioLink. So you get the full package for InstaBioLink. And the whole thing is $17, but I'm going to show you a little trick. You see if it works here. I have to reload the page. I'm going to show you a little trick to get it for $14.95 instead of $17. So just go ahead and try to exit. You're going to click here. It's going to offer you a link. They're going to click, and when you click it, instead of $17, you're going to see that it's only $14.95 when you go ahead and click it over here in order to purchase it from Warrior Plus. So let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick over here. You can see it's super easy to use this thing. There's a 12-minute video explaining what to do, because this is very, very simple. It doesn't take a lot of time. Okay, you can see some trending memes. And the nice thing, this is all done for you. So you basically, what you can actually do is you can go and just start creating your own memes, all right? Actually, that's not what I'm looking for. We're looking for my meme factory. Here we go. So we're going to create our own memes. Oh, by the way, if you do pick up any upgrades, because that's we were looking at the upgrades. So if you do pick up any upgrades to MoolaMeme, then you get your choice of Boost Opt-in, Conversion Champ, the lifetime version of Conversion Champ, which is not available regularly, or SEO Explosion, or Social Viral Club. You get your choice of one of those four options. Pick up any 2 upgrades. I'm going to give you all 4. All right, so that's basically that. And basically you're going to see here that all you have to do is create a new meme here. All right. right? And it's very, very simple. You're basically going to go ahead and put in the text that you want. You can add a picture, okay? And by the way, I'm also going to give you a link to my Rolodex of images, so you can have access to millions of images that you can automatically include in here for free, so you don't have to worry about finding an image. All right, and you're just going to add the text and the headline, and then you're done. Basically, it's like literally about 10 seconds of work to make a meme. Okay, and again, you'll be able to see on the front page the things that are trending, so you get some ideas for things that are trending. And of course, you can go to Google Trends as well in order to find additional trends. And then basically the other thing you can do with memes, by the way, is you can post them onto Instagram, onto Facebook. They're really, really popular, and they'll help with driving social traffic as well. So let's see if I'm going to give you a tip match the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, huge tip of my hat. I really like when things are easy to use, and this is super easy. You can see this is my first time using it, and I was already able to figure it out. Super simple. You know, it didn't take me an hour. You know, a lot of times I look at apps and I'm like, oh God, I can't figure out how to do this thing. If I can't figure it out, nobody else can figure it out either. Okay, this literally took like 10 seconds to figure out. Okay, it's super duper easy to do. And at $14.95, especially with all my bonuses, grab this one, you're gonna love it.